In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hand pointer icon in Figma. First, make sure you're logged into your Figma account, then head to your dashboard and open the file or project where you want the hand pointer to appear. It can be an existing design or a new canvas. Either way, the process is the same. Give the file a moment to load so you're inside the editor, with your layers on the left and the properties panel on the right. With your file open, we'll grab the icon from Figma's resources. Press Shift+I on your keyboard to open the resources window. This panel lets you browse assets from the Figma community and your libraries, which is a quick way to bring in commonly used icons without drawing them from scratch. In the search bar at the top, type hand pointer, then press enter. You'll see a list of results that may include different styles: solid, outlined, rounded, or pixel perfect variants. Pick the one that best matches your design's look and feel. When you've decided, click the icon preview, then click insert in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. The icon will drop right into your canvas. If you don't immediately see it, zoom out a bit or check the layers panel to select it. Click and drag to move it into position and use the corner handles to resize. For crisp results, scale from the corners and keep an eye on the pixel grid at smaller sizes. You can also hold Shift while dragging to maintain the original proportions. If you prefer precision, use the position and size fields in the right-hand properties panel, or nudge with your arrow keys for fine adjustments. With the icon selected, customize it from the properties panel on the right. Most hand pointer icons come as vectors or components, so you can change the fill color to match your brand, tweak the stroke weight if it has an outline, and adjust opacity for subtle emphasis. If the icon includes multiple layers, select it and look at the layers section to target specific parts, like the hand versus the cursor tip. Consider adding a small drop shadow or a subtle blur if your design needs depth, but keep it minimal so the icon stays clear and accessible. That's all it takes. You logged in, opened your project, used the resources panel with Shift+I to find a hand pointer, inserted it, placed and resized it on your canvas, and tailored it using the properties panel. Save your file, and you're ready to use your new hand pointer icon across your design.